67 plate Transit T350. This one is an L2H2. As you can see by the bodywork, very presentable van. Nice and clean. This one was previously owned by BT themselves, so comes with stacks of history. Had the wet belt done at 56,000 miles, currently on 70. This will come with a fresh 12 months MOT and a major service. It's got 2 seats at the front, so nice and clean. In the back we've got custom racking, including microwave, electrics, inverter, so on. Security locks, rear sensors on the rear step. You can see custom racking to the rear, which can be removed if wanted. Comes with plugs, so on. Now to the front, as I say, all bodywork in very presentable condition. Into the front, 70,000 miles. This one will come with our standard 3 months warranty and can be delivered nationwide. We also have great finance options available. Drop us a message or give us a call.